If you want to remove recent activity in Firefox, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you a quick and easy way to turn off recent activity on the Firefox homepage, and I'll also show you how to clear your browsing history if you want to delete your recent activity from the browser itself. This is helpful if you want a cleaner start page, better privacy, or just want to remove the clutter from your browsing records. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Let's get started. First, open Firefox on your computer. In the top right corner of the browser, click the three-line menu icon. This opens the main Firefox menu where you can access all of your browser settings and history tools. From the menu, click Settings. This will take you to the Firefox settings page. Once the settings page opens, look for the Home section and click it. The Home menu controls what appears on your Firefox start page and new tab page. Here, you'll see options related to what Firefox shows when you open it. Now, find the Recent Activity option and disable it. Turning this off removes recent activity from appearing on your Firefox home screen, giving you a cleaner and more private browser experience. If you only wanted to hide recent activity from the start page, then you're done. But if you want to delete your general browsing history too, there's one more step. Go back to the three-line menu icon in the top right corner and click it again. This time, select History. In the History menu, look for Clear Recent History and click it. A window will pop up where you can choose how much browsing data you want to remove. You can clear the recent history for a selected time range, such as the last hour, today, or everything. You can also choose what types of data to delete, including browsing history, cookies, and cache. Once you've selected the options you want, click Clear Now to confirm. Firefox will then remove the selected browsing data from your device, and that's it. You've now learned how to remove recent activity in Firefox by disabling it on the home page and clearing your recent browsing history when needed. If this video helped you, please like this video and subscribe for more quick Firefox tips and browser tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.